So I turn on Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and here you can see we have the option to change the color also from here. That is suppose if you are choosing green color, then you can simply select green. Okay, and after that you can simply go to your computer keyboard, and there you can see this is the number lock key. So suppose if your number lock is off, you must turn this on. Now you can see that number lock is enabled. Now you can see on the left side of the space bar there is an alt key. You must press and hold this alt key, that is you do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, in this numeric section here, you must type 11052. So after tapping 11052, you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that we have created an horizontal ellipse symbol in green color using this keyboard shortcut method. For more, you can subscribe.